Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about array of pointer in C++ programming. Array of pointer is just an array that consists of pointer type variable. Like an example, here we have declared one integer array of pointer of size 5. That means the array of pointer has 5 pointer type variable, and any one of those variable can have address of some variable, and we can assign any one of the variable the address of some variable, and by doing that the pointer type variable will point to that address location, and then we can use dereferencing operator and we can access the value at that address location. So in this example program we have one integer array with 5 elements, and then we have declared one integer array of pointer, and now we're gonna use all of those pointer type variable to point to the elements of that array. To do that we have used one for loop, and in every iteration of the for loop we are assigning the address of all of those individual array elements to those pointer type variable. So all of those individual pointer variable will have the address of the elements of the array. And in the next for loop we have used the dereferencing operator with all of those individual pointer type variable to access the elements of that array. So now I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program. So you can see we have successfully accessed the elements of the array using the array of pointer. So this is the way we can create one array of pointer, and then we can assign address of all of those individual array element to those pointer type variable, and this way the array of pointer will point to all of those array elements, and then we can use the dereferencing operator and we can access the value of all of those individual array elements. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.